Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to complete information on FTMO account profile. So if you want to complete your information, first of all, you'll have to come to the official website of FTMO. For that, launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in trader.ftmo.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of FTMO. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So initially, you'll be in the accounts overview interface. In the main menu, you'll be able to find various options over here. So in order to complete your information, simply click on this option, profile. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the profile interface. From here, you'll be able to complete the information. All you have to do is provide your client information, contact info, and also the address. So first of all, what you have to do is enter your first name and last name. Also, make sure to select the title. Likewise, you can also provide your contact info. All of these informations will be written by default according to the information you provided during the account creation. You cannot really change the email address. Your email address will be the email that you added while creating your account. But you can change your contact phone and country of residence. But in order to change your country of residence, you need to contact the support team. So simply edit the info that you would like to edit. After doing that, what you have to do is scroll down. Now what you have to do is enter the city, street and postal code over here. Click on the field of city. Now enter the city over here. Likewise, click on the field of street and enter the street over here. Now enter the postal code. Now after providing all these informations, click on the save option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your informations will be saved. You'll also be able to provide the account information over here. You cannot really change the username, but you'll be able to change the language and time zone. Likewise, you can also provide the FTMO identity proof. Simply click on the option FTMO identity. The FTMO identity section will be unlocked for you once you are about to sign or change a contract with FTMO. So when you're trying to sign or change a contract, you'll also be able to provide the FTMO identity verification informations. So like this, you'll be able to complete the information on FTMO account. So that is how you complete information on FTMO account profile. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.